Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix Free Fire network connection error. Open your Free Fire app. You can see there is your problem. Okay, let's fix it. Follow my step by step carefully. Rest your mobile network settings. Okay, now back and follow my step by step carefully, otherwise you cannot understand. Hey viewers, please subscribe my channel. Now restart your device. By this easy way, you can easily solve your problem successfully.